Right.
It's the day after the day after the day after.
Of the repair that Ian and Carly did on Chemmy the Charade.
So the day after, things took a slight turn for the worse.
A slight turn for the worse.
There was a little patch that needed doing. The petrol tank was leaking. We didn't notice that because the
it was wet underneath and the mud was there anyway.
We had to drop the tank, so that's all out the way, miles out the way, in a different building. And then
Lewis had a little poke
around. Came around and did a little. Oh, we'll just do this and do a little light wire brushing, and then the day after that, I tapped it with a ball peen hammer, and well, this happened.
And then Lewis did some more poking and found some more of this. Oh my God, ah!
I'm going to die.
And then Lewis and Moses spent the next day cutting out all the rot and replacing it with proper metal.
Yeah, and now it's the day after that.
And now it's the day after that.
I'm not sure where we are now.
Let's have a look at where we are under the car. Let's have a look.
What, 2 patches away from finishing Mo, I think? He's all over there. Yeah. He's nodding.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay, guys. Now, bear in mind these are MOT repair patches. These are not restoration patches. So we're just trying to get the job done as quick as we can.
Having said that, Moses' patches are lovely.
They are bloody beautiful. This is the repair patch that Ian and Carly were doing their lesson on. Fantastic. And here's all the extra metal that we've had to put in. A couple of patches here. Mo is working on this patch at the moment. It is necessary, I'm afraid, to get this car through another MOT. It is too close to these important points. The suspension struts has to be done.
The funny thing is, that was the...
hold on, let me move this torch out the way.
That was the bad side when it came in.
Yeah!
And it turned out the other side was way worse.
Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look.
It's like a bloody nest of
vipers. It's a trip hazard
it.
in this workshop today. Yeah. That's when you got all hands on deck, you see.
So this side had a patch glued in here. I did film that, but I don't know what happened to the footage. It's gone.
Yeah.
So we've had to do a massive patch because that went right the way up to here. I did cut out the rust. It slightly overlapped, but I did cut most of it out. I'm just trying to get this car safe. Structurally sound. Not beautiful, just on the road again. Again, another patch there.
This
huge piece of chassis section there, both sides. That went right the way through as well. So there's a big patch on the other side.
But this was like just this bit left. It was like one of those weird 3D table shape things you see, wasn't it? Just hanging there. Yeah. But that is all back to look. Listen. Oh, lovely and solid.
Let me hit it with my same hammer that went through last time.
That ain't going anywhere. But yeah, we have we've done the best we can on it, and inside as well.
Yeah, go roundy.
Right, go around. Oh, hold on. I'm just going to go up on the step. Borrow Chemmy, 1, 2, 3. Right, Lewis has done this
so we're doing,
repair.
These are reinforcing plates to give it a bit more structural, because a lot of the stuff internal the chassis was very heavily corroded. I don't know what's missing and what is there, so we decided just to add a bit of extra material in here to give it some oof.
So Lewis is finishing welding up this and tidying it up. Moses is working on this side, if you can have a look. Another strengthening plate gone in here. He's doing the repair on this bit now as we speak.
Yeah, and this will be the last one over here.
That's the last repair over here. See down here in the boot floor?
Yeah.
It's a... Ooh, it's the only reason we are repairing this car is because Carly loves it.
Yeah.
And we have to do whatever we can to keep this on the road.
We're going to get their reactions in a second.
They're coming any minute. They don't know the extent of the work we've done.
They don't.
Oh dear.
What to do? Right.
So, someone's just arrived to have a look at the aftermath.
I feel physically sick.
No, don't feel sick. It's fine. It's fine.
No, I have every faith in you guys. I just feel physically sick.
Should we stop having a look at the patch you did to refresh your memory?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, Mo, we'll have to hold off on the welding for a minute.
That's all right.
Where's the torch, Lou?
This one.
No, the other one. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Mo. Right. So there's your repair patch, remember?
Yeah, I remember.
I'm just hiding this with my hand.
Oh wow.
We've had
Oh,
to
blimey,
replace a
that's
little
so
bit.
tidy.
Oh, that's gone a bit more than what we.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah.
Can you see there, Lou? We've been through this on the camera, but obviously remember this bit was hanging off.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's all fresh meat under there, up here and around on the other side.
That is a thing of beauty, though.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
thing is-
Oh, sorry, first swear.
Oh, there's going to be many more.
That was a good side.
That's the good side. Oh, I haven't finished
no.
yet. Mo's fixing this bit up here. That's gone through into the boot behind these fuel line, you know, the fuel filler.
Off.
So yeah,
Oh,
we'll have a look at
more
that. in a
there
minute.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right next to the fuel line.
Let's go and have a look at the good side, shall we?
I know this was a bad side because we were tapping this last time we were here.
Okay.
Oh,
There was the little patch down here for the last MOT. Do you remember? That was just glued on. Lewis removed that and had to put in a bigger plate here, and we've had to follow it all the way around. This yesterday was like one of those 3D things that they make out of straws in school. There was just one little strip of metal there.
Oh dear.
And same here, that's gone all the way through to the other side. Nearly a full rear chassis rebuild.
Yeah.
Chemmy, you look like a transformer.
Fix this bit as well, this bracket
looks-
on there.
Do you know what?
Yeah, actually attached.
Lewis was kind of bracing us when we were last here and being like, it's not going to look pretty. That does look pretty. That's so tidy.
Yeah, but
Oh, my
I think it was more
goodness.
about the amount that would have to be replaced.
Yeah, no, but it's just...
jump up.
Underneath as well.
Oh yeah, underneath the
because it's
boot
both
floor.
sides.
I just inhaled a swear. It's fine.
okay,
It's fine.
okay.
I've inhaled a swear.
That torch. Get it under there.
Torch.
Get it to them. You can see how much repair work was up around the suspension there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A very common spot, sadly, on Daihatsu.
See, these don't have any protection from factory, do they?
No,
Pretty much none.
no, no.
And then in the boot.
Yep, up into the boot.
Good try.
Do you want a hand?
Coming up here.
I'll come around this side.
Yeah, I think we've seen that one anyway.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
You can't see me through here now, but there was a bit of a hole there.
Is this the moment to mention, as we were driving over, I said I'm going to get another Daihatsu as well as this one.
You're not bringing it here. Yeah, that's the
Ro's
other
just
one.
finishing that off.
Oh, no.
But these are tank plates. These are strengthening plates.
We're
This
calling them
is
strengthening plates.
Yeah.
Tidy. This is it's such nice work.
Oh, so we can go rallying. Yeah, I feared that was okay. And we're going to have the same over here, aren't we?
Yeah, it's on its way.
Maybe.
Don't get in.
But now's the time. You have to push. You have to find the holes. Otherwise, tackling them. Not going to do it.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right. You're
Oh, yeah,
absolutely
it's
right.
up here.
Ian, will you stop?
That's surface.
That'll clean up, won't it?
Yes. Now, if you left it, it would be trouble later on. But we're look, we're saving it.
Thank you.
We're
Thank you.
saving
So I can't tell you how grateful I am and how sick I felt over the bug you do.
Yeah,
No,
this is quite severe escalation.
it's
Dare we get the wheel out?
No.
it's not too far gone that we would have said no.
Oh, thank you. So I can't tell you how grateful
If it was
I am.
anybody else, we would have said no.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh,
But no, she will ride again.
do you know?
Stop poking things in.
Sorry, I keep
I've been
poking.
loving and hating this car over the past couple of days. Like, distraught, but also like, I still love you, but I hate you.
Yeah.
Stop fighting
but
me.
It has to be said, this has very rapidly got beyond our skill level.
Yeah. And I mean,
we kind of half-fitted one patch, which was fun to do.
You got to start somewhere.
yeah.
You got to start somewhere.
But
And I
there's no
do-
way we could have taken on this level of work. It's crazy.
But I would hope that you'd still carry on practicing. And
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Look,
yeah.
I need to learn. I'm very much a beginner, and I very
Yeah.
much need to learn, particularly if I'm going to be a Daihatsu owner.
Just if you've always,
Yes.
just keep in the back of your mind, you can't break anything.
No.
You know, what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
You just get a replacement part.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
or give Lewis a ring and he'll save you.
But
He did
no,
change his phone number.
What do you mean?
it's okay. We know where they live.
Oh no, we're gonna have to move.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, that's a cavity. Jeepers. Yeah,
Oh my God.
that's
Both of those are
terrifying.
right through. Look at all the crumble.
Yeah. It's just nothing, is it?
Oh yeah, I saw fingers through the other side. Nice.
And that's the patch that I peeled off. And this is the internal.
Jeepers. Once you start digging, it's terrifying, isn't it?
Yeah.
It was quite
We
crumbly.
had no idea about this.
No.
I rounded that car.
Yeah, that's the other
Sorry,
side, all
David.
brushed with,
But a point to make MOT-wise is the MOT tester isn't allowed to remove trim panels.
No.
So they can't see
No.
that.
they can't see that, and they're not really allowed to poke that hard. I mean, they've got to make sure it's project out, but if it looks half decent, which it didn't look
It
too
didn't
bad.
look
It
bad.
was-
Yeah, it didn't look.
It was one gentle tap with the old ball point and just went straight through, and they're like, oh.
Bad times.
Yeah.
But it just goes to show you have to thoroughly rust-proof your vehicles
Yeah.
annually,
They don't do
Yeah.
living in Wales.
especially living in Wales.
And
Yeah.
driving a Daihatsu.
And driving a
Yeah.
Daihatsu. Yeah.
But
So-
I mean, this is the thing, isn't it? We were just talking in the car about buying a cheap car. You need to look at it like forensically look at it, not just surface look at it. I mean, she was £190 from a farm in
Yeah,
Carrington.
Maybe not our best purchase ever, but we love this little car.
No, we do, and that's why she lives on. But now she will live on. She looks like a transformer.
Yeah.
No,
But,
we
yeah.
have. We've done some things there, haven't we? She should be.
And
I'm
no safe for data.
Oh yeah, and Mo, of course.
ridiculously
Thank you.
grateful, because I know it's daft, and I know she's. People are like, she's not anything special. Why are you saving this car? No, but she is special to me. That's the thing. I love this car.
Right then, guys.
That's it.
That's it from us.
You can see the results of Chemmy back over on Ian, so we're turning this 2-part into a 3-parter.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not the plan.
no.
To be continued.
We just
came
came to do some innocent little welding, and
Yeah.
then this happened.
If you'd like to see more of us tinkering on Ian and Carly's lovely rusty fleet, like the video, subscribe.
Yeah. Ciao.
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 Bye.